time. I get very sad on Sundays when you're not here.
Hey, there's another note. Glenn, this is your child. Next time, wear a condom, jerk. Oh, that's the note from earlier. I need a file cabinet.
My mama always said that hiccups are a sign that the devil's got a hold of you. If anything can drive him away, it's Reverend Lucius. And, like all black priests, he's Whitney Houston's uncle.
Is this the possessed one? Son, I'm now going to place my hands on the afflicted area. Satan, release your grasp from this man. In the name of Christ, I exorcise thee, infernal invader. Well, I'm out of purple-suited ideas.
Peter, what are you doing?
He's doing hiccup stuff, I'm doing hat stuff. Easy with the fans, ladies. Easy with the fans!
Man, I'm telling you, this part...